In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group shapes here in Canva. So I already have these shapes just here. And let's go ahead and group these. Now to do this is really simple. First we want to left click on the mouse, hold down, and then drag and select. So let's do that again. We want to left click, hold down, drag and select. Now as we can see, that hasn't worked because this background isn't locked. So let's just go back one. Let's lock this background just like that. And now let's do that again. So left click, hold down, drag, select. Then that enables all of these to be grouped together. Now we can go one step further and actually group these together to make one element. So if we now click on group, this is now practically just one element, and this can be moved around like that. And then if you do want to ungroup these at all, back onto the shape and then click in ungroup. Then if we take a look again, these have all been ungrouped just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to group shapes here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.